Watch your fingers.
I made a circle finger. Don't. No, Daddy, don't. Be careful, be careful, be careful.
I can't even see it without my glasses.
Well, maybe you should get your glasses before you carve a pumpkin with a big, huge knife. Right by your hand.
Lesson number 1.
Katie, move away from your daddy a little tiny bit. Jackson. Ooh, you can do it, Jake. It's okay.
Stick your hand in there, Jacob. Put your hand in there.
And pull the stuff out.
I don't
Like
want
this.
to.
Ooh.
Oh, ew.
Are you gonna put your hand in there, Katie?
Yeah, I do need this because I can't find the line on the other side.
Katie, are you gonna do your pumpkin inside? Look at Mom. Are you? You are? You're gonna pull the gunk out?
What's that?
That's all pumpkin stuff, Jake.
What's that?
It's all
The
pumpkin.
seeds? The seeds?
Seeds, yeah, you can pull them out with your hand.
No.
No? You don't want to? Why not?
Happy. Be careful. Lay your head.
He's a happy pumpkin head, isn't he?
Lay your down.
Ta-da!
Ooh.
Did you see? He goes.
Jacob, I think you've got more in mommy in you than anything else. Actually, not all the time, just right now. What, Jake?
This is for Katie. Just dig your hand in there and put all the seeds right there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here, you're back to the video. I'm gonna help Jacob.
Okay, put your hand in there.
I don't want to do
Come on.
It's eggy.